Hi guys, this is Michelle Blackwood from Healthier Steps. Today I have a special recipe to share with you. It's my vegan Jamaican saltfish recipe, guys, and it is so delicious. It's so easy to prepare but so delicious, and it brings back childhood memories of me eating saltfish in Jamaica. And guys, the ingredient that we're using for the saltfish is hearts of palm, and this is it, guys. It comes in a can, and you can find it at Walmart, you can find it in any supermarket. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut it up and flake it just like you would as we would do with codfish. So guys, come along with me as I share this recipe and I show you how it's prepared. And guys, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Wasn't that easy recipe? And I hope you'll try it at home. It's took me about 10 minutes to prepare, not long at all. Once you have the heart of palms and you have the rest of the ingredients, and they're common ingredients that you can find in your local supermarket. And guys, I want you to show me those photos of the recipes that you have made on Instagram and on Facebook, and you can even message me. How about you make sure that you're following me here on my YouTube channel, and follow me on Instagram, on Facebook. And guys, be sure to stay tuned for lots more delicious gluten-free vegan recipes, and a lot of them are from my childhood days growing up in Jamaica. Take care. Bye.